Akshay Kumar is an Indian actor and producer. His birth name is Rajiv Hari Om Bhatia. Apart from being an actor, he is also a philanthropist, stuntman, and martial artist. Once a chef in Bangkok, he has been one of the highest paid actors in the Bollywood. Let us find some more interesting details about Akshay Kumar's life, his family, biography, and his journey to stardom. Akshay Kumar was born on 9 September 1967 in Amritsar, Punjab, India. He was educated from Don Bosco High School, Mirik, Darjeeling. Around the same time, he started learning karate. Since childhood, Akshay was interested in sports and martial arts. He was raised in Old Delhi and then relocated to Kolivida in Mumbai. Later, he took admission in Guru Nanak Khalsa College, Mumbai, but dropped out of college as he was poor in studies. He moved to Bangkok and learned martial arts there. He is also black belt in Taekwondo and also learned Muay Thai boxing. While in Bangkok, Akshay worked as a chef and a waiter. On returning to Mumbai, Akshay worked as a peon for a travel organization in Kolkata and became an instructor of martial arts. Akshay was suggested to take up modeling by one of his students because of his good looks and dashing personality. He began his career in the glamour world with modeling assignments. Once successful in modeling, Akshay changed his name from Rajiv Om Bhatia to Akshay Kumar, which was the stage name of an actor opposite to his favorite actress in a movie. He even worked as a background dancer in various films and ultimately stepped into Bollywood, making his debut appearance on screen in 1991 with the movie Saugandh. In 1992, he played the lead in the movie Deedar. Since then, there has been no looking back for him. Family. Akshay hails from a Punjabi Hindu family. His father, Hari Om Bhatia, was a government employee who served as an army officer, later resigned to become an accountant at UNICEF. Akshay's father was a companion of late Tara Singh. His mother, Aruna Bhatia, was homemaker. He has a younger sister, Alka Bhatia. Akshay and Twinkle Khanna both tied a knot on 17 January 2001. The couple has a son, Araf, and a daughter, Nitara. Akshay is quite keen about his children's privacy and often he avoids any media interaction with them, giving them a normal lifestyle. Career. After doing a few modeling assignments, Akshay tried his luck in Bollywood through 1991 movie Saugandh and later appeared in Dancer, Mr. Bond, James Bond, Deedar. He got his big freak with 1992 movie Khiladi. It was reported that Akshay's fate took a drastic change when he missed a flight wherein he was to be present for a modeling assignment. Depressed over missing his flight, he approached various studios with his portfolio in search of job. It was that Pramod Chakraborty noticed him and signed him for Deedar. Although Akshay's previous movies didn't perform well at the box office, he got attention for his dance and stunts soon. He started getting offers for actions movie Ye Dil Lagi, which released in 1994, made him a top league actor of that time. With a series of his action performances and successful Khiladi movies such as मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी and खिलाड़ियों को खिलाड़ी in 1995, Akshay got his name Bollywood Khiladi. With his 2000s blockbuster hit Hera Pheri alongside Paresh Rawal and Sunil Shetty, marked his entry into comic roles as well. He also starred in the sequel of Hera Pheri with the comedy hero tag. Awards. In 2002, Akshay won the Best Villain in Filmfare Awards. IIFA Best Villain Award and IIFA Awards for his film Ajnabi. In 2003, Akshay was awarded a Celebrity Style Male in Bollywood Fashion Awards. In 2005, he was rewarded IIFA Best Comedian Award and IIFA Awards for film Mujhse Shaadi Karogi. In 2006, Akshay was Best Ode Best Comedian in Filmfare and Best Comic Performance in Bollywood People's Choice Award for his film Garam Masala. In 2009, he was acclaimed Best Actor in Screen Awards for the film Singh is King. In 2009, he was Best Ode Padma Shri by Government of India. In 2010, Akshay was rewarded Best Actor Popular Award Male, Best Actor Searchlight Award Male for his films Blue and 8x10 Tasveer. In 2011, he achieved the Star of the Year Male, Best Actor in a Comedy in Stardust Awards for his film Houseful. In 2012, he won Best Actor in a Comedy or Romance in Stardust Award for his film Desi Boys. In 2013, he was awarded Star of the Year Male in Stardust Award for his films Houseful 2, Rowdy Rathod and OMG. In 2013, he was acclaimed Best Actor in Dada Saheb Phalke Academy Awards for his film Rowdy Rathod. In 2014, Akshay was rewarded Box Office 1000 Crore Club Hero in Star Box Office India Awards. In 2015, he won a special award in Apsara Film and Television Producers Guild Awards for completing 25 years in the industry. In 2016, he achieved the Star of the Year Male in Stardust Award for his film Baby. In 2017, Akshay received Best Actor in National Film Awards for his film Rustam. Favorite things. Akshay likes to eat Thai green chicken curry, homemade Punjabi food and Chinese cuisine. He likes non-vegetarian food. His favorite dessert is Indian sweets. He admires Amitabh Bachchan and Jackie Chan. He is a fan of Sri Devi and Kareena Kapoor. He loves watching Oscar-winning Italian movies. Life is Beautiful. He prefers cool water perfume. His choice of color is black. His favorite destination is Mauritius. He likes to listen to music, rock climbing, swimming. Net worth, salary and houses. He charges approximately rupees 24 crores per film. In 2019, he was placed at 4th on the Forbes list of the highest paid actress. He collected 65 million net worth, which equals to 466 crores between 1 June 2018 and 1 June 2019. His net worth is relatively 980 crore. His address include 203 a wing Lokhandwala complex and Dheri West. Collections. Akshay Kumar owns a Porsche Cayenne and Honda CR-V in cars, Yamaha VMAX and Harley Davidson in bikes. Facts about Akshay Kumar. While in Bangkok, Akshay worked at a restaurant named Metro Guest House with an initial salary of 1500. He began his training in martial arts when he was in 8th standard. Akshay is never seen partying late night, neither does he smoke or drink alcohol. During the initial phase of his career, Akshay shot a portfolio at a bungalow in Juhu, Mumbai, which he owns now. Akshay was hospitalized during the shoot of the film Khiladiyon Ka Khiladi when he lifted Brian Lee, who weighed around 350 pounds, causing severe back pain. He criticized his own film Phir Hera Pheri, which was a sequel of Hera Pheri, as a big nonsense. Though the film was blockbuster hit. Akshay does not like to be categorized as an action or a comedy hero. During his struggling days, Akshay went for an audition in Rajesh Khanna's film Jai Shiv Shankar and waited at the sets for around 4 hours, but neither was he auditioned nor he was able to meet Rajesh Khanna. Akshay's demand for huge compensation replaced him with Ajay Devgan in the Phool Aur Kaante. Other than films, Akshay also hosted in numerous TV shows like Seven Deadly Arts with Akshay Kumar, Fear Factor, Khatron Ke Khiladi Season 1-4, MasterChef India Season 1 and Dare to Dance. Akshay was honored the honorary doctorate of law from the University of Windsor for his outstanding acting career, and he also listed among the sexiest men alive by People magazine in the year 2018. Akshay Kumar is addressed as New Age Manoj Kumar aka Bharat Kumar for his phenomenal performances in the films Namaste London, Holiday, Baby, Gabbar is Back and The Airlift. He featured in the role of police officer in 15 movies. Akshay Kumar rode a bike million in the movie. He sang a Punjabi devotional song Nirgun Rakh Liya, and all the profit that album made was donated to the victims of train bombings of Mumbai. Akshay Kumar rode a bike worth 1 million in the movie OMG. Akshay is fascinated about shoes and has more pairs than his wife Twinkle does. He is reported to be sentimental when it comes to his first, and still owns his first house, car and motorcycle. Surprisingly, Akshay shares his birthday on the day of Shilpa Shetty's husband, Raj Kundra. He learned Arabic for his role of Kuwait-based businessman in Airlift. Akshay was held responsible for removing John Abrahams in Garam Masala and Govinda role in Bhagam Bhag. Akshay was seen performing double roles in movies like Jai Kishan, Aflatun, Khiladi 420, Chandni Chowk to China and Rowdy Rathore. Actress Lara Datta, while in Coffee with Karan, confessed about Akshay's problem in dialogue delivery and also stated that the tactics used by his crew members, like holding a piece of paper in front of him or sometimes on the costumes of the heroine, and many others. Prior to becoming a superstar in Bollywood, Akshay appeared as a martial arts instructor in Mahesh Bhatt film Aaj in 1987. He has a tattoo with his wife's name Tina on his left shoulder and a tattoo with his son name Araf on his back. Through Akshay movie Gabbar Is Back was a huge blockbuster. His daughter did not like his look with long beard in the movie. His hobbies include collecting posters of old Bollywood movies, cooking, martial arts, playing volleyball and cricket.